Welcome back. Now, Windows 10 does have a facility that will allow you to take screenshots of what you're working on. And in order to find it, what you'll need to do is to write into your search box. You'll just need to type in snipping tool. You can click on the desktop app. You're then going to have a window available to you. You'll notice then that you'll have an area where you can click New, and this will be where you can form your screenshot. So we're going to click the New button. And what we're going to do then is we're going to then be able to drag the cursor around the area where we want to do our screenshot. So for example, if we want to take this area of our screen, we can do that. Now we have tools available to us where we can then begin to work with our snipping tool. You can then use the tools in order to work with your screenshot. And then once you've completed your final version, you can then go to the File area. You can then save your new document. You can save the document as a PNG file, a GIF file, or a JPG file, or even as a web page. Now, Windows 10, you can also print to PDF. You can go to the File command. You can go to your printer. You can then choose Microsoft Print to PDF, and then you can click Print. Once you decide on your file name, you can then click Save, and your screenshot will then be ready as a PDF. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.